Hi there. Now we are back with the next set of tools. Analytics. Maybe we can call them as business analytics also, okay, or business intelligence tools. But before that one, we'll just start with the basic analytics tools every marketer should know. Okay, so you already know the tool name itself, Google Analytics. You already have learned about this one, and we have few points discussed earlier also. Okay, so before going to that, so I'll tell you the main difference between these two, Google Analytics and other business intelligence tools. Okay, we have three business intelligence tools that we are going to use, learn here. Okay, so we'll be telling you the basic understanding of the tools, but each course itself takes a lot of time, and it's very expensive tools. Okay, so but as a digital marketer guy, you must know what all the tools and how do they work. Okay, so Google Analytics is the basic analytics for marketing and advertising tool. So based on this one, you can just have your website gist, and you can see how it is performing. Okay, you can have the audience overview, and you can have the comparison between how it was how it was performing the previous time at the same, you know same time, and okay, you can compare between the both. Okay, you can just compare between the months also, or you can just click on comparing between last 2 weeks. You can see how the data has been changing, and what all the things perform better. New users have been increased, page sessions reduced. Okay, number of sessions per user reduced, bounce rate reduced. Okay, which the bounce rate, this shows that increase in the bounce rate. Okay, so returning visitors have been increased. Okay, so these are the things you can compare and have the basic data. Okay, you can check how and where and what are the demographics of the people visiting your okay, this one you can compare the both, or you can just have a normal data of past 3 months, so that you can have a better view of how the performance was. Okay, so age groups, 43% age groups are in you know um, 25 to 34 age group of people. Male are 37.9, female are 62.1%. Oh, we have female fans over there. Okay, age, okay, gender, it is okay. Okay, you can see the geolocation, language, location, behavior. Okay, technology, mobile devices. So the country wise, United States, we have a lot of fans from United States as well. Okay, so these are the things you can have a look at. Acquisition overview. Okay, so how social media are doing, and we show all the things helping. Okay, that also can be seen, and which are the major performing social networks for you, that can also be seen. Which are the better landing page for you, that can be seen. Conversions, plugin. Okay, these are all the a lot of data that will help you in automating the next campaigns, and if you have any campaign running now, so you can just have a look at all the campaigns data that are working for you. So these are the email campaigns we have run. Okay, so these are the stuffs we have explained earlier. You have seen the campaigns done through MailChimp. Okay, so if you have any goal set up, you can see the conversions here. So all these things, these are the basic things how Google Analytics help you in collecting the data, and optimizing your upcoming campaigns, and content sharing with the customers or targeting audience. Okay, so for this one, we'll just have a look at how this can be set up. We just already knew all these things, how we can set up this, and what we can do is we can have this one, this is account created, and the property is imported, and we can click for the views. You can check the views. This is the view, all website data view. Okay, there are already two ways we have given. Okay, so this is the important thing: tracking info, and tracking code is what we need to copy and install in our website, so that Google Analytics will track all the visitors to your website, and you can link all the products of Google here. Google Ads linking, AdSense linking, you can check for the all products which can be linked here. Okay, AdSense and all. Postbacks is if you have some other ads running there. Okay, so other than Google Ads, if you're running through, or if you're promoting your product through other ads, Google Analytics will track all of them also here. Okay, so this can be, these are the things that Google Analytics will help you in tracking the data. Okay, so few people have, just now we have seen the conversions here. Okay, so here, not here, conversions here. Based on the goals, it will track the conversions. Goals can be set here in the view itself. Okay, you can set which all the pages have visited, then it can be considered as a goal. Like that you can create the goals. Okay, so content grouping can be done. View user management, filters is very important thing. See, we have two websites now, not like two websites. We have a domain with a normal website, badboys.org, but there is another website I have that is called startup.badboys.org, because Google Analytics won't track these things, because Google Analytics right now will track only that starts with badboys.org. Okay, until or unless we'll tell Google Analytics to track the subdomains also, it won't track that one. So for that one we need to have a filter. Make sure that you'll exclude your traffic from your own IP also. Okay, we'll add a filter. um, Full website view, full view, subdomain, so that I can have a select a field, exclude. Okay, go for the advanced one. So we need a host name, which comes with Francis Star. Then comes the request URL, the select field instructor, output the request URI, bind to comment $A1, $P1. Okay. So these are stuff field require, and more I will really and save it. Okay, this will give us all the complete view of subdomain also. Okay. So now we'll have all website data that comes with the subdomain also being tracked. Okay, so this is how you can have filters, many filters. Okay, so there are so many things you can learn. Okay, schedule emails, reports, share assets. Okay, so these are the things you can have. Being a digital marketing guy, you can just have the basic understanding of Google Analytics, so that you can use it for your uh, whatever you call the advertising, remarketing, marketing, analysis of the data, anything. Okay, so this is how Google Analytics can be used. And okay, so we'll go for the next tool. Okay, so this is the basic tool for the marketing guys. We'll come with Tableau, Microsoft BI, Google Data Studio. These are the very advanced business intelligence tools that will help you in giving the reports in a very interactive way. So these are the paid tools, so we are not going to have or discuss in detail here. Okay, Tableau software was recently purchased by Salesforce, it seems. I guess. Okay, so this will give you a very advanced data, very advanced report dashboards for your whatever you call it, just see the pricing, how it will look. For individuals, Tableau Creator, $70 per user per month. For teams and organizations, Tableau Creator, Tableau Viewer, Embedded Analytics. Way to contact them and get the details. Anyways, this is a costly one, as I know it. Okay. So we can just try now. We can have a desktop free version you can download, and you can just download and get started to build. Okay. Or you can just, if you have previous links, you can just sign in. Seems I have an account, so I try to recall my login details, or you can just create a new account, take the license for 1 month. Okay, free license. Okay, and you just check the check the website and see how this works for you. Okay, try it for free. Log into Tableau Online. Tableau Online is, I mean, if you have that one, you can just log in, or you can see how the data works, learn about explain data, interact edit and author on the web, Tableau Online. This will give you very interactive data ever. Okay, Tableau is one of the very good business intelligence tool, and you can also integrate this with many online tools like Alexa, Google, Google Home, I guess it is. Okay, so all this can be seen, see our vision. Okay, we'll just check if any free dashboard is available. Export live site. Oops. Maintenance, scheduled maintenance. I think this is, now we can't see. There is another maintenance. So we're not able to see as of now. So bad luck, and you can just go ahead and check how this and all works. Okay, so this one will show it to you how this will work, and Tableau is one of the good tools you need to explore on your own, and this will help you in a lot of, if you have a course done for business intelligence, you might be knowing this one, and this is playing with very advanced data. Okay, so Tableau is one. Similar thing is Microsoft BI. You need to have sorry, Microsoft BI. This is also one of the data visualization tools similar to Tableau. Okay, it's not free. I think this will give you for 3 months free trial, and you can have the data similar to Tableau, and products are what is Power BI, why. Okay, solutions. There's so many things that you can learn and see. Okay, you can go for pricing and see how the pricing varies. So monthly price per user is $9.99. Sorry about that. Okay, monthly pricing is $9.99 per month per user. So features you can compare with both the things. I don't know, there's a comparison tool between this one and Tableau. Okay, so you can decide on your own, but both are good tools. Pricing wise, this is very less price compared to Tableau. Okay, support, roadmap, webinars, blog. You can just go through all this. Courses are available, community, contact support. These are very advanced tools that if you want to learn here. Okay, so we can't just learn like that. If you learn only this business intelligence tool, you can get separate job for business intelligence. Okay, so this is very advanced tools, and you can just help you. I mean, you won't get in normal companies also. These tools are being used at very high level of big MNCs and all. Okay, so you'll get the jobs there only. For as a startup guy, you can just have a look at learning these things and introduce in your company slowly once it's grown and once it is ready. Okay, so this is Microsoft BI, Power BI, and Google Data Studio. I think we have seen this one, Google Data Studio, earlier. Okay, so Google Data Studio is one of the tools that will help you in representing the data. This is also one of the data visualization tools. Okay, maybe we can go with this thing. Add data, we already added my data sources. That report added to the user. Okay, based on this one, it will automatically load the data, and you can see the users, new users. Okay, here we can add the clicks. Oops, again. $50 of them. New users descending. Custom date range can be April 1st to 30th June. Apply here. It will have this data. Okay, if you want to change the chart style, you go ahead and this kind of chart. It will come with this one. Okay, these are the home pages. This is the viewers. Okay, new users. So like that you can plug and play with this one. Okay, so based on the data you need to have a complete understanding of each and every field, and you can just have this one. You can add few more pages also to the same thing. Okay, you can change between the pages, and you can make a big sheet of this one. Okay, just I'm just showing you how to add the things, how to add the data source and all. Okay, so these are and all need to be drawn. Okay, we can add the button here also. Date range, filter control, data control. See, in data control one we can add here. Once they go for the view, you can select the data, all website data, and it will show. If you change for the date range between this one to this one, it will show that particular data only. Okay, so this is how it will help you in advanced data visualization. You can just get the report link and share it to someone else in your team, and they can even edit if you have given the access to them. Invite people to edit this one. Okay, like this we can have so much of data at one place. We recently have this if one have created this kind of report, anyone can use it. You can also embed it on your website. We have recently embedded the COVID-19 details. Someone is someone had made this one, and we're trying to show this one on our website to all our viewers. Okay, because in the current situation, I think this is the guy, Go Kok Han. Okay, he has created this dashboard using Google Data Studio. Okay, so this will take some time to load it, but when this loads, you can just see you can go for the original dashboard on his own website. Okay, but you can still add anything on your websites, presentations, emails, anywhere you can embed this. It's taking time to load. There's a lot of data and changes. You can select the country here. 3.3 million plus right now. Okay. Some error and selection. You can select any of the country and you can check for the data. There are so much of data, how people are performing and how people are recovered, how new cases are coming up country wise. Okay, states and all. Okay, so this is how Google Data Studio will help you a lot in Google, not only just Google Data Studio, but Google Data Studio is a free tool to use apart from Tableau and Power BI, Microsoft Power BI. So it's up to you which of the tools you can use. I'll just write it here. Google Data Studio is free. This is paid. Just give the symbol so that you can remember. The paid ones. Okay, you can decide and it's up to you, and I think I'll just make it as F. I don't have the space here. Okay, so these are the things for marketing analytics. More of marketing analytics, since you were there as a marketing guy, I'm just saying the word marketing analytics, but this is the business intelligence tool that we are using here. This is a complete new subject that a digital marketing guy should have been introduced to. Okay, we don't have to be deep in learning that one, but there's nothing wrong if you have introduced to yourself into a new tool that is going to be the future. And obviously this data will help you in designing your future campaigns and remarketing things, and this will also help you to help your team or senior management team with the data that they need to look into. Okay, so I guess this is helpful a lot. So we'll meet in the next video. End of the video.